I'm in Danny's domain, so excuse the pans. This is where the magic happens for all the cooking and stuff and the recipes. Too much hand motion too. So here's my old laptop, and if you didn't see the update, yes, I poured water in it. It was a bad day. I was sad, but we did get some time off and stuff like that. So, well needed rest, but still, bad day. New laptops are expensive. But in this I'm going to show you how to take out the hard drive and the adapter I use to plug in. I'll leave links all down below, but the reason I like Asus laptops, they're so easy to take apart and everything is really easy to get to. The things I don't like, the battery, you can't disconnect the battery without taking it apart. So a hard reset, a little hard when you have to take apart the laptop. So let's get into this and I'll show you how to take out the RAM and also, because I did a RAM expansion, and the hard drive. Okay, so we're at the underside of the laptop and we want to take this off. So there's screws all the way around here and that's it. And you just pop this little cover off. Let's see, no fingernails, no fingernails. I need fingernails. Wow, I don't have any fingernails. Okay. So you pop this off and it opens up the internal. Now I've already taken out the hard drive, but I'll install it just for purposes of this video. Hopefully I can install it. There we go. Turn it the right direction, Chris. Okay, so it has a RAM slot right here. And this has a little cover over it, so if you're looking at this, if you have the same laptop, there's a little cover over it. Take that cover off, pop out the RAM, there's 2 tabs on the side here, and you're good to go. I'm going to keep that RAM because I'm going to use it for something else. Now the hard drive, you have 4 screws right here. Pull that out, take the screws out, then pop the hard drive out. It has a little tabby dilly right there. And hard drive ready to come out. Now I did pick up this from Amazon so I can salvage the data I had, because I had a lot of data on here. This 1 terabyte hard drive here is pretty much full to capacity. I'm glad the new laptop comes with a 2 terabyte hard drive. Another video, people were asking how you pull, I didn't show how you disconnect the power on these laptops if you have to do a hard reset. So the power just pops in right here, if I can get it to pop in, and it has this little clippy that slides over the top of it. There we go. And clippy there. So that just slides over the top. To undo the power, you pull that back and pop this power off. And then to put it back on, of course, you stick this and slide the little clippy over that just fell off. I've been playing with it too much. Just put the clippy back in. Well, I'd have to do that with tweezers. To pull the motherboard out, there's screws all the way around here. And these screws for the hinges. And this little cable right here just pops off. And when you're ready to pop it back in, you pop it back in and then this slides forward. Same with these and the battery right here. This is my big concern is the battery for this doesn't come out. So you have to, doesn't pop out. So if you have to replace the battery on this, here it is. Okay, and I did get that little piece back in. Wasn't that hard? So if you do pull that out, it just lines up and you push it down and then you slide it over. Look. Voila. I fixed the broken laptop. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful for you. In another video I'm going to show you how you recover the data off this laptop hard drive that was in this waterlogged computer onto this newer laptop here. And hopefully this memory, I'm going to do some research to make sure this memory is compatible with this new laptop. And now I'm going to stick that in the new laptop as well. To put this back together, put your screws back in. And you just push it down, and and then the rest of the screws. Really easy. Hope this was helpful for you. Not a hard laptop to work on. The only thing you have to be conscious of when putting this back together is you have these little feet here. You have to slip them in, which they're right now they're inside of it. So I had to pull this off and line up the feet again, then pop it out. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Be sure to hit that little bell. It's down there along with the subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It looks like this. It's also down there. And if you're looking for great eats, good food, check out Dining In with Danielle. I'm in her office right now. Great food, wonderful meals coming out weekly, every Wednesday. So, completely awesome. If you like to cook, or if you're looking for easy, simple recipes, way to go. And y'all please take care.